You want whiter teeth, but you also need healthy teeth. The StarBright Pen is on-the-go whitening maintenance and so much more. The two-sided pen has a whitening gel end that will maintain your smile daily in just 30 seconds. Using the StarBright Pen is easy. Just smile and brush on a thin layer of the whitening gel formula onto your teeth. Allow the gel to dry for 30 seconds while continuing to smile. Then, repeat the same process with the enamel strengthening side. Bleach Bright's proprietary enamel booster gel is amazing. It accomplishes 3 things in just one easy step. First, your teeth will be covered in a layer that is impenetrable to stains for 12 hours. So, no matter what foods you consume, your teeth will not be stained. Because you brush on the whitening gel first, you will also be sealing in the whitening gel for a better result. And last but not least, the StarBright Pen will actually strengthen and repair your enamel over time, so you'll have less cavities and less tooth sensitivity. Maintaining your new white smile while making your teeth healthier is easy with the StarBright Pen. Each pen contains 30 applications.